Hey guys, if your voice chat is not working in Rocket League, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So the first thing you need to do is just come over to the settings page in Rocket League, and from here click on the audio tab. So the first thing you want to do is just ensure that your voice chat slider is turned up to 4 here. Make sure your output type is set to either your speakers or headphones, and make sure the master volume is also turned up. Then click on the chat tab in the top navigation. Underneath voice chat settings, make sure allow voice chat with everyone is selected. For voice chat input device, this is where you need to select your microphone. Make sure your output device is set to either your speakers or headphones, depending on where you want the sound to come out from. For voice chat method, decide between either open mic or push to talk. I'm just going to keep mine on open mic. Preferred voice channel, you can leave this as party, and then we just need to close out of here to save all of our changes. Now, just changing those settings alone should have fixed any mic issues you were having. If your mic still isn't working, then what we need to do is head over to the desktop on our computer. Then you need to head over to the start menu and search for control panel, and click on the control panel window. Make sure you have view by set to large icons, and then select sound from this list. Click on the recording tab at the top here, and you need to make sure the microphone that you're using is currently enabled and also set to the default device. So you can do that just by right-clicking and selecting enable on your microphone, and to set it as the default, just select it like so and click on the set default button. It's also worth disabling any microphones that we're not currently using. You could do this by right-clicking and selecting disable. So once you've enabled your microphone, it should be good to go. We just need to right-click on it and select properties. Click on the levels tab and ensure the microphone slider is turned up to full. I actually like to leave mine at around the 73 mark, and then you can press apply and OK to save these changes. Now the last thing we're going to do is just come down to the volume icon in the bottom right hand side. Right click on this and select open volume mixer. Make sure your volume slider is turned up to full. Make sure for output device you either have your speakers or headphones selected, and then for input device, this is where you need to set this to your microphone. And once you applied all of these settings, you can then relaunch the Rocket League game, and that should have now solved any voice chat issues you were having. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.